Okay, we're back working on this 2013 Dodge Dart, and about 9 months ago I had replaced this passenger side engine mount over here, and I said I was going to wait a year to take it off, but the noise actually returned after about 8 months, and here we are 9 months into it. I'm finally going to go ahead and replace it. So the last time I just put the cheapest mount that I could find. I just wanted to see how it would hold up. And I guess I got my answer. This time I'm going to be using the TRQ. I've had really good success with this brand. So this and the transmission mount are both hydraulic mounts, and if you see any fluid leaking out of here, then you're going to be having some noise. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and get this put on there. I've made a few videos, I think, on replacing this, so I'll leave a link. So like I said, at this point I'm just going to go ahead and pull it off and we'll take a look at it. I'm going to also show you what the transmission mount looked like. I recently replaced that and it was causing a lot of noise as well. Okay, the new mount is in. Now we'll take a look at the old one here. Okay, so here's the old transmission mount pulled off just probably not even a month ago. And this is the new mount that I put on about 9 months ago. Now this one here, you can clearly see where this one busted right here. All of the hydraulic fluid leaked down the side of the frame there. So this one was really obvious. Now this one here is a little bit, it doesn't appear to be busted. It does feel like it may be a little squishier, have a little bit more give. And it's a really cheap mount, so it did make it, I was hoping it'd make it a year, but it didn't. So not for sure. It looks like we have some cracking right in there, and on this side I actually didn't see that until now. You can see the separation right there, so that's not helping things either. So it's definitely a failure. Said this TRQ brand, is backed by supposed to be 10-year warranty, so we'll see how it's going to do. But we'll go ahead and crank it up and we'll see how it sounds now. But I've said this before, when you go to replace this mount, replace this one. It's a little bit more difficult, but you want to replace these both at the same time. Now, I have failed to do that on this car, thinking that this mount wasn't a problem, but as you can see the condition. Now, it could be that this mount led to the premature failure of the engine mount over here, so you want to make sure to do these both at the same time. Very important. Okay, so we got it cranked up here, and it appears that noise has went away. We're going to go ahead and shift it from drive to reverse and just see if there's any more vibration. Okay, so just shifting the gear. And I'm not hearing that vibration, so this mount here has definitely fixed that issue. The mount before had failed. Even though it looked to be in okay condition, it simply failed. It had a little bit of cracking. I said the hydraulics weren't leaking, but it just wasn't doing its job anymore. And if you get any movement out of those, or excessive movement, I guess that vibration just comes right back on these engines. Okay, so I just wanted to make a quick video on this. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can get these mounts. I said I've had really good luck with this particular brand, not just for mounts, but a lot of different parts. So time will tell, but it does have a warranty, and I'm going to thoroughly test it out over the course of the year, and I'll follow up in the comments or description, and we'll see how this one does. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.